Hi everyone, my name is Mirela Stefan, and for more than 5 years I was practicing holistic therapies around the world, especially in Spain, Romania, and England. Today I want to talk to you about an innovative method of body regeneration, quantum surgeries. What are quantum surgeries and how this method is working? Quantum surgery is a rapid energetic healing technique, a quantum regeneration method, which consists in energetic cleaning and repairing organs, systems, meridians, or different affected parts of our bodies. This regeneration takes place at an energetic level in the quantum field and is felt in the physical body in a very short time. Quantum surgeries provide the opportunity to modify the information of the energetic structures of our physical body. These modifications allow the regeneration of our cells and molecules wherever imbalances exist. Each organ emits electromagnetic fields, waves, frequencies, vibration, and essentially energy. Nikola Tesla and Albert Einstein said that the universe is vibration, and hence the human body is vibration also. The human body emits photons that we can measure in terms of intensity and distribution. The photons practically communicate to us everything is happening in each organ. When photons are not active, there is a low level of energy. In quantum surgery, we can activate the photons and help the body to recover the much needed energy day after day. You can feel the results of quantum surgery's method from the first session. But let's see who the founder of this technique is. Her name is Paula Andrea Hill and she is from Colombia. Paula tells us, and I quote, "Since childhood, I could see the molecules and quantum particles. At the beginning, I didn't know what it was and how to handle it. Over time, after studying various energetic techniques and the principle of quantum physics, I became aware about what I was seeing and all the possibilities available at the quantum level. The ability of seeing energetically the molecular structures and quantum particles allowed me to experience that everything can be created differently because all structures of quantum particles can be transformed. Also, I experienced that when you make changes at the quantum level, magic happens on all levels, including the physical one. I conclude the quote. Certainly, you have heard that there is a world beyond the physical one, a quantum world where everything can be changed, including our physical body. Essentially, our bodies are formed by moving quantum particles, and quantum particles are energy and contain information that can be modified to bring improvements to the organism emotionally and physically beyond what you may have ever believed possible. You might wonder what condition this healing method can help with. What we can say is, in the quantum world, everything is possible. Any condition that can be healed in the quantum field can be healed in the physical body. Only one thing is necessary here: to believe in energy. This quantum surgery method is useful for the human beings, both adults and children, but also we can help our animals. As a practitioner of quantum surgery's method, The incredible results obtained with every single person I worked have encouraged me to create this material and arrive to you as well. If you only desire to feel more relaxed and have more mental clarity, or if you are suffering from a physical and emotional condition, or if you want to help a loved one with a health problem, don't hesitate contacting me and we will work together on the journey to the right healing for you. Thank you for your time and see you soon.